Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action finally experienced a leg up. From the lows of 93,300, it pumped today by 3.39% so far, reaching 96,500, now sitting above the yellow horizontal line at 96,000. Looking at the 3-day Bitcoin liquidation heat map, we can see price action moving towards a big cluster of shorts, which just freshly built up today between 96,700 and 98,000. You know what this means. These highly liquid fresh clusters act like magnets, and the market makers are ruthless. So far in the last 24 hours, $75.85 million in shorts out of 130.62 million total liquidated positions have been wrecked. The whales are hungry, and it is feeding time. Looking at the 2-week liquidation heat map, the cluster from 98,800 all the way to 101,300 is packed with over-leveraged late shorts. The focus is on 98,800 to 100,000. It is overloaded in this area and glowing. There is a picture floating around on social media showing this chart and making the case that we are in a clear bear trap right now before a big pump up. 9-month duration each time. In year 2011, 2013, 2017, and 2021, with bear traps in months 5 or 6. We are now in month 6 of 2024. I will keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading insights. Like the video if you got value from this, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.